isn't a mana air conditioner. It's freezing up. We're gonna stick around and hopefully it'll defrost. Okay, that's freezing up rapidly. Yeah, we're sticking. This thing should do it. Here it goes! Oh wow, it's defrosting now. Hoping school compressor doesn't sound the happiest. Check out that coal just melt away. You can hear crackling from the ice melting. The back is solid. We finally hit the point where it just had to defrost. And the coil is rough. This thing might end up getting replaced soon. It's in rough condition. I thought it shut off.
I did too. But then I heard a click. It's actually quite flat. Oh, there's a little bit of steel.
Melts away kind of quickly. Oh my god, that suction accumulator is over here cracking. Check it out. Oh, your phone is, you're gonna hear a loud noise when that thing goes out. The compressor, at least. It's already about done. This thing must defrost quite a bit. Because literally, we drove by and it was frozen up, and once we came back, it must have defrosted, and it probably freezes right back up when it's done. There's a reversing valve. Oh, there comes the steam. Kind of hard to see it, but it is steaming. It needs to get a little, steam needs to get a little thicker. Oh, there it goes. It's getting thicker now. Ah,
Kyle.
there goes the steam.
How the coil used to be bad.
Look how bad the coil is. That condition. Look at all the water running off. Holy crap. Wow, holy crap.
My camera's picking it up pretty good.
Mine is too. Dad, he's be looking at us right now. That out. I want to capture it up close when it exits, so I'm getting up close. Look. But I gotta get back to see all the steam.
Whoa.
Even the top's kind of
It's getting
melted.
ready. It's going to come out in a second, I think.
Yeah. It ain't fully melted on the bottom, but it'll Smith now. Outside.
I believe part of the fan made actually go with that.
Oh crap. I gotta back up to show you all the steam. Check it out. It's about to go out. Hand blades, man? Oh, yeah. I see that.
It's
How do you-
show.
Oh my god.
The camera, I think, just popped up a little bit. It's got that metal smell in it, too.
Feels good. Holy crap, guys. Oh my god. The wind's making it even better.
I just realized my previous video was 10 minutes long, so I just ended and started again.
Oh, it's going in my face. It's got that metal smell to it, like you said. Alright, it's gonna go out any minute. That strip on the bottom should be gone by the time it goes out of the defrost. Oh my god. Look at it all. That bottom strip is putting off a lot. My hands are freezing, I don't care. There it goes. That was a good one. There's still some frost left on the bottom, but I think it did a pretty good job. Right there in the bottom corner. I already got the bit of it. It's already freezing up again, but we're not sticking for a second defrost. We gotta go. I can't even feel my hands. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching.